It's been a great opportunity for us to get out into the field, to meet with our current clients and also to network with people perhaps we wouldn't have had the chance to connect with before.
It has been overwhelming with a lot of customers making inquiry. Definitely we will be here next year.
And we look forward to coming back next year and sponsoring this event again. Thank you very much and see you next year.
And we hope to see you guys again next year.
See you next year.
See you next year. See you next year.